Now let us understand more. Let us see the second situation. The second situation was written as there was an accident. Thank God everybody was safe. Now we have combined these two sentences with the help of though. The answer is though there was an accident, everybody was safe. एक्सीडेंट होना एक विपरीत हालात है और उस विपरीत हालात को डिफीट करते हुए हमें अच्छी स्थिति मिल गई है एंड उस स्थिति को हम दोबारा प्रदर्शित कर सकते हैं इस क्लोज में. अब आप सेंटेंस नंबर 3 देखिए. इट इज़ ए कंबाइंड सेंटेंस. दो वी स्टार्टेड लेट वी रीच्ड ऑन टाइम. Let us see the first part. We started late. Late means a minus point. And we reached on time. That means extra effort and a plus point. To get a plus point, we are inserting extra effort or energy. And in this sentence, we have shown that there was a difficult situation, an adverse situation, even then we managed to reach there on time. Though we started late, we reached on time. Let us see one more example. Although we had less money, we managed our expenses. Less money is a negative situation, an adverse situation. इस सिचुएशन को ओवरकम करते हुए हमने हमारे एक्सपेंसेस को मैनेज किया. ऑल्दो वी हैड लेस मनी, वी मैनेज्ड आवर एक्सपेंसेस. लेट अस सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. इवन दो ही वाज सिक, ही केम फॉर द मीटिंग. सी, somebody is sick means he will be absent in some meetings or some other places. But defeating the condition of sick, he came for the meeting. Such sentences can be written with the help of either though or although or even though. There is only a very little difference between these three words with the meaning of these three words, but we can use one instead of another, and we can change the words, change the conjunctions and express the same situation. Friends, now we have seen the use of three different conjunctions, that is though, although and even though. Now there is a change here. There comes one more adverb or conjunction in this series, that is even if. But even if is a different thing compared to the other three. Suppose we have to show certain amount of determination. That means even if can be used only in such situations where we want to show our determination, then we can use even if. Let us see the sentence. Even if it rains, we will play the match. To play the match was organized before it was planned, and one day we had to abandon the match because of rain, and we were waiting for another day. And the other day also presented us the same situation. There was rain and we could not play the match. And now because of these two experiences, now we have decided that even if there is going to be rain tomorrow or the next day, we are going to play the match. So we are showing a strong determination and we are expressing the same thing. Even if it rains, we will play the match. Let us see one more example. We will come for the party even if you don't invite us. This particular person doesn't want to invite us. We came to know about it and we are telling him that even if he does not invite us, we will attend his party. That is what we have written here. We will come for the party even if you don't invite us. Even if can begin a sentence and even if can combine two sentences by coming in the middle. This kind of situation In this situation, we are using different words, different conjunctions, and the topic name of this clause is adverb clause of contrast or concession. We are contrasting two different situations. One situation is very difficult for us, and we are succeeding to get a possible outcome from that situation. That is why it is written as either contrast or concession. Now, let us try to make more sentences by using either though or although or even though, and sometimes in order to show determination we can use even if also. Thank you.